Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. For today's video, I created a wonderful value pack for you. This is a paper crafting kit that will be well used in spring and summer. I made 10 cards plus 2 bonus cards. So let's get started. Simple Stories came up with this wonderful new line this year, and it's called the Simple Vintage Flower Shop. And when I saw this, I thought these are wonderful embellishments and papers for spring, but also for summer. So I wanted them all. And what I have created here is a value pack so that you can get it all, but also save a little bit of money. So let's go through this really quick before I share my 12 cards that I made. And I have so much stuff left, of course, but I had to start somewhere. So let's start with the bits and pieces. There are, let's see, 55 pieces in here. Beautiful summer and spring die cuts. You can see them here. You got the ephemera. This has 39 pieces in here. Again, so you can see how this all complements each other. We also have some big pieces. These are called the page pieces. So I think they are intended so that you can embellish your scrapbook pages. But I love when we have bigger pieces because then you have a gorgeous focal point for your cards as well. Then there are what they call the big bits. Beautiful embellishments, just a little bit bigger. And again, wonderful focal points for cards. There are, let's see, 16 pieces in here. Then we have the gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous chipboard frames in here. So there are 6 different chipboard frames that you can, of course, put on cards in your albums, but also as home decor. I absolutely love those. What a fun pack. There is a pack of 6x8 papers. There are 24 papers in here, and you can see all the beautiful designs for spring and summer. There is, I added a sheet of those gorgeous sticker borders. There are also 30 of these glitter dots. So we have a little bit of bling. I added 4 pieces of heavy-duty cardstock, so you can start with your cards. And of course, the colors complement this beautiful pack. There is also a piece of a bag of 6x6 papers, and they are double-sided. Let's go through these really quick. They're in this wonderful gingham on the one side, so you can see them here. And then on the other side, so this is how this first side looks. And when you turn it around, you have this washed color on the other side. So just beautiful also for backgrounds. And last but not least, you got a big pack of chipboard stickers. So again, beautiful chipboard stickers here. Let's see, there are 35 of them. So this is the entire pack, so it's pretty massive, and they are available now as value packs, of course, only as my quantities last. But let's see what I have created with it. And here is my first card, and the way I work with this kit is I basically opened up every pack, laid it all out on my desk, and I just started layering, grabbing papers, grabbing some of the ephemera, grabbing some of the stickers, cutting it to size, and then layered it on my cards. I had so much fun, and my desk, I should have taken a picture, looked like spring. But here is a hello card, and yeah, just some papers that I layered, and you know, some of the ephemera. Everything that I used here is in the pack, so including those little sayings you can find throughout this value pack. So number one, I made another one like this, so you can see I have done the same thing. I grabbed some of the embellishments. I just the same thing. I'm just not gonna explain every card to you because it just came about from grabbing the stuff from my desk and then just layered it the way I thought it would look pretty. There are lots of butterflies in there, beautiful spring greens, the purples, of course, lots and lots of flowers. I forgot totally to put the bling on here, so you don't see the bling throughout my cards, but I can still add them. And I made one more of those bigger cards. So these cards here are sized, let's see, they are 5 by 6.5. So those are 5 by 6.5 cards. And just to show you, you know, here's this wonderful pair of boots with beautiful flowers. You also find that again in the chipboards, but this is from the ephemera. So yeah, you have these embellishments in there more than once. So there is no reason to be stingy. I just use it all and yeah, go ahead and make your cards. Okay, and then I moved on to make some A2 cards, A2 size cards. And again, same thing. I even cut from the paper, I cut a tag here and just layered the pretty papers. Here is some of the gingham paper. Here is another card. You can see beautiful the butterflies. I love those flowers here in those buckets. How beautiful is this? Oh, this is a different item here. This is also new to my shop. Let me find this. So this is from All and Create, and it's got these little expressions here. There are 140 pieces in there. This is how it looks. So it's available, and I'm gonna link it below. It's available in my shop, and that's where I grabbed this cute little bliss. I love the font on it and how fresh it looks. So here we go. And here is my next card. Just arranging everything that I had on my desk. This was a card blank that I had in my stash. It is from Molly and Rex, and I believe I got this long time ago at Michael's. So I had these still around, and I used it now because the colors just matched so nicely. I just embellished with everything that I had on my desk. Here is another one. Same thing, this beautiful flower card with all the different flower buckets here, this flower can. Yeah, just that's all it is. I had just so much fun putting these together. Doesn't it look like summer to you? Look at all these. I think these would also make a great. Last week I created this gift, this card gift, the greeting card gift. I think if I put all these in a box, that would make a wonderful gift as well. But yeah, I love how everything works out. You know, how you layer the papers with the chipboard, with the beautiful embellishments from the pack. Then here I also try to, you know, find a room for all these little pieces that come in the pack. So this is a more simple card here, but there it is. This next card here this speaks summer to me. So with this wonderful camera that comes in here, the blues and the turquoise, and yeah, got a little smile here. I love this one too. Beautiful papers. So you will have a lot of fun with these papers and embellishments. And then with the smaller pieces on my desk, I created just a couple of miniature cards, and here they are, lots of hearts here that I added to just the strips that I had left over. And then, I have arranged the smaller card here. I have, of course, tons and tons left, but I always have use for those smaller cards because I add them to the orders that come in. By the way, the Celebrate here is again from those, from this pack over here. Yeah, so there they are, 12 cards. Let's look at them all together. So, and here it is, my summer bouquet of greeting cards. You can see how beautiful this kit is just by looking at those gorgeous colors that I believe carry you from spring into summer. I had so much fun making these cards. I hope you found some inspiration for your own cards. I know you will have fun working with this wonderful kit. So thank you very much for spending time with me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share it with your crafty friends and family. This would help my channel, and I really appreciate the support. So thank you again. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.